Ola bise bulungi, onyilila bulungi, fanana bulungi. Ola bise bulungi, otunula bulungi, ofanana bulungi.
Zabadda buuza nze nnyabo akavidiyo kakoleddewa. Forgive me if I'm too bold, nayo nnyumidde gwe n'okamala.
Alright, yes, good morning, good afternoon, good evening to everyone who is watching. My name is Maurice, the Crochet Master. Welcome to our YouTube channel. Yes, this channel, this is, you always find different types of hairstyles, and I make sure that I upload every week for you guys to learn. Now, we have been doing the micro twists, these micro twists, natural twists, micro twists of natural hair. And I've been having a lot of questions. The question goes to what hair type can do this type of a hairstyle. And again, I really want to explain to those ones who would want the answers, and now they're here. I would like you to give me a time so that we can learn together. But first and foremost, I'm going to first introduce you this method that I'm using. You can see how I'm doing. I'm starting with the inward knotless braiding. Yes, this one is more neater, and again, it is very, very safe and protective. Yes, even there are other hairstyles, but this is more neater. You're coming from down, so you can see how I'm starting, and this is how it looks. So the twisting, of course, it is the same as usual how you're twisting it. All you need to do is to be patient enough, like not to make it not to part big boxes. You need to make them very, very small. So as we continue, the number one question some people have been asking, can it be unplaited? And the answer is yes, you can unplait this hair because it's just temporarily. Yes, this hair is temporarily, it is just a twist, so you can really unplait it the way you want. And then question number two, someone's asking how long can you stay with this hair? Now, how long can you stay with this hair? You can see the method how I'm using. It is very, very nice. How long can you stay with this hair? This hair can last for at least to be safe, 1 year is very okay. Yes, 1 year is very okay. But as in that 1 year, you always have to keep using the methods. The methods I use the maintenance, like how you can moisturize your natural hair. Yes, you should keep on doing that, because at the end of it all, there are those people you find when it is dry, and which is not good. But when you keep on moisturizing your hair, this hair also looks very, very nice. So you need to understand it when it comes to that. And someone might ask me, they're saying that the oil here, this is the hair oil, and I always whenever we're doing it, we always try to apply it in the way that the whole hair, that the hair is having that is having that oil. By the time it is going to to feed on that oil, at least to remain healthy and neat. Yes, that's why we keep on adding on that oil. So this is how we do it. And then another question, as some people keep on asking, is that can those ones with straight lax hair, can they do the same thing? And of course, for you guys, I will say it is impossible. The only thing you can do is maybe to add in the extension. Okay, of course, the natural hair extensions that are there, so you can use that and then you achieve this. And then there are those people who have got a few they have little hair on the head, and then they would love to have this volume. I would suggest, yes, do the same. If the texture is the same, do the same, but maybe we add in a little bit extension, and I will show you the video on how you can add in this extension. Then you get the exactly volume that you'd want, like the volume that looks like this one. Okay, so this one is also going to work for you. And yes, how long, someone might ask, how long does this take when plating? And of course, this one is according to the labor. Yeah, so you need to be like 3 people or 2 people enough. So according to about 3 people, it can take like 5 hours, you're done. Yes, but long lasting is really a good thing, and you find your hair is well protected and for all that long period of time. So this is how it looks. And when I'm done with that, of course, I'm going to add in my moisturizers, and you can put even like we're already done with the treatment. So we have to make sure that the hair really gets those ingredients for them, because it's going to stay for a long period of time. So we always have to add in this so that it remains very healthy. So I'd recommend this hair to those ones with thick hair, of course, and if you have fine hair, somehow somewhere the twist might not look this nice, though still I recommend that maybe if possible you can, because those people have long hair, very long, but it's fine, it's not thick, you get it. So again, it might not come out very nicely when it comes to this hair. Yes, it's not like everyone with natural hair will do this hair. No, it is the texture. Okay, but this hair is very nice. I love it, and how to maintain it. And please, if there is any other question, I would like you to ask me via comment section, and I'll be there to answer you as soon as possible. My name is Maurice, the crochet master, and I work at Hairby Clippers. For those ones who would want to book to come and have our services, yes, just click on those links in the bio. It is going to give you all the information so that you can come for that treat. And we are ready for you. We are located in Tinda Ministers Village, that is Kampala. Okay, yes, we're waiting for you. Our fan is in Canada, those ones in the United States of America. I cannot forget those ones in Jamaica, Trinidad, Tobago. We love you so much. And those ones in Germany, yes, thank you so much for watching. So for now, I'm gonna be signing out, but all I can say is this is the perfect hair that is going to give you free stress, like no stress at all. Yes, bye bye. May the Lord bless you all. Yes, let me see you in my other next video. And remember, we always upload every week. So please, all the return subscribers, I'm ready now. We are going to learn this year. And those ones who are still new, don't forget to like the video. And please make sure you click on the red button, subscribe. Bye bye. May the Lord bless you all.
He got the touch of a cricket master. Yeah. Oh no.
Got those around my soul, baby. I've been thinking about the way you're looking, yeah. Oh, you get the one boy I can. Maurice the crochet master did a make on you, yeah. The nigga did you so right. Your makeup so nice, body fine like wine. You look so good, so good. Maurice the crochet master, yabako kolangako. Ako toto wasa, beauty na chichayo. Engeri jonyo mye, okwana nembaga. You look so good, nobody do it like Maurice. Yeah, nobody do it like Maurice, yeah. The crochet master. Nobody do it like Maurice, yeah. Oh no. Nobody do it like Maurice. The crochet master. He got the touch of a crochet master. Yeah. No. Maurice got the touch of a crochet master. No. He got the touch of a crochet master. Yeah. A touch of a crochet master. Maurice. Yeah. He got the touch of a crochet master. Maurice, your crochet master.